We have four different operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. When sums involve more than one of these operations, we use some rules. Need for rules. Example: 15 into 20 plus 10. If we do multiplication first, we get 300 plus 10, which equals to 310 as value. If we do addition first, we get 15 into 30, which equals 450 as the value. There is confusion as to which value is correct. In order to avoid such confusion, we follow a fixed method. Use of brackets. To yield a single value, we should follow a fixed order of operation. We use brackets for this purpose. The operation to be carried out first is written inside the brackets. Example: 15 into 20 plus 10. Solution equals to 300 plus 10, which equals 310. There are certain rules used to carry out the operations. Number 1. Operations in bracket should be carried out first. Number 2. After that, multiplication and division must be carried out in the order in which they occur from left to right. Number 3. Then, addition and subtraction is carried out in the order they occur from left to right. Number 4. If there are more than one operation inside the bracket, they are carried out according to rules 2 and 3. Simplify example 1. 184 minus 35 into 2 divided by 5. Solution. Following the rules, multiplication is done first. 184 minus 35 into 2 divided by 5 equals to 184 minus 70 divided by 5. Then we should carry out division. 70 divided by 5 equals to 14. Therefore, 184 minus 14 equals 170. Example 2. 214 plus 16 into bracket 14 plus 8 minus 12 bracket closed. Solution. First, we will solve the bracket. We get 214 plus 16 into bracket 22 minus 12 bracket closed, which equals 214 plus 16 into 10. We do multiplication first, equals to 214 plus 160 equals to 374. Example 3. In bracket 7 into 7 minus 4 bracket closed divided by into bracket 6 plus 15 divided by 5 bracket closed. Solution. There are two brackets. We do first bracket first. 7 into 7 minus 4. Multiplication done first equals to 49 minus 4. Then subtraction equals to 45. Now, second bracket 6 plus 15 divided by 5. First, we do division, which equals to 6 plus 3. Then addition equals to 9. Therefore, in bracket 7 into 7 minus 4 bracket closed divided by into bracket 6 plus 15 divided by 5 bracket closed is equal to 45 divided by 9, which equals 5. Sometimes more than one bracket is used to indicate the order of operations. The bracket vary in shapes as square brackets, curly brackets, and simple brackets. We do the operation inside the innermost bracket first. Let us look at the example. Example: 25 into square bracket 113 minus into simple bracket 30 divided by 2 divided by 3 plus 4 simple bracket closed plus 2 into simple bracket 19 minus 6 simple bracket closed square bracket closed. Solution: inner bracket is solved first, which equals to 25 into square bracket 113 minus into simple bracket 5 plus 4 simple bracket closed plus 2 into simple bracket 19 minus 6 simple bracket closed square bracket closed, which equals to 25 into square bracket 113 minus 9 plus 2 into simple bracket 19 minus 6 simple bracket closed square bracket closed, which equals to 25 into square bracket 113 minus 9 plus 2 into 13 square bracket closed, which equals to 25 into square bracket 113 minus 9 plus 26 square bracket closed equals to 25 into square bracket 104 plus 26 square bracket closed equals to 25 into 130, which equals to 3250. We do not write multiplication sign between number and bracket. Example 5. Insert brackets in expression 3 plus 9 divided by 3 minus 1 so that its value is 3. Solution: into bracket 3 plus 9 bracket closed divided by 3 minus 1 equals to 12 divided by 3 minus 1 equals to 4 minus 1 equals to 3. Let us now solve exercise 10. Question 1. Simplify the expressions. Number 1. 94 minus into bracket 61 minus 23. Solution. We will first subtract 23 from 61. We get 94 minus 38 equals 56. Number 2. 237 minus into bracket 87 plus 30. Solution. We will first solve the bracket. We get 237 minus 117, which equals 120. Number 3. 450 divided by into bracket 10 divided by 5. Solution. Let's solve the bracket first. We get equals to 450 divided by 2 equals to 225. Number 4. 103 plus 91 into 2 plus 8. Solution. Let's insert the brackets as shown. First, we will do addition and then multiplication equals to 194 into 10 equals to 1940. Number 5. 216 divided by into bracket 24 minus 6 bracket closed plus 2 into bracket 53 minus 14 minus 6 bracket closed. Solution. We will first solve the bracket. We get equals to 216 divided by 18 plus 2 into 33. Let's insert the brackets as shown and solve them. We get 12 plus 66, which equals to 78. Number 7. In square bracket 18 plus 5 into simple bracket 7 minus 3 simple bracket closed square bracket closed plus 64 divided by in square bracket 20 minus into simple bracket 8 into 2 simple bracket closed square bracket closed. Solution. First, we will solve simple brackets. We get in square bracket 18 plus 5 into 4 square bracket closed plus 64 divided by in square bracket 20 minus 16 square bracket closed equals to in square bracket 18 plus 20 square bracket closed plus 64 divided by 4 equals to 38 plus 64 divided by 4 equals to 38 plus 16, which equals to 54. Number 8. 210 divided by into curly bracket 125 minus into square bracket 5 plus 3 into simple bracket 14 minus 9 simple bracket closed square bracket closed curly bracket closed. Solution. 210 divided by into curly bracket 125 minus into square bracket 5 plus 3 into 5 square bracket closed curly bracket closed equals to 210 divided by into curly bracket 125 minus into square bracket 5 plus 15 square bracket closed curly bracket closed equals to 210 divided by into curly bracket 125 minus 20 curly bracket closed equals to 210 divided by 105 equals to 2. Question number 2. The expected value of the expressions are given with it. Insert brackets in the expression so as to get the expected value. Number 1. 18 divided by 6 plus 3. Value is 2. Solution. According to the rule, we will insert simple brackets for 6 plus 3. Therefore, the expression will be 18 divided by into bracket 6 plus 3. Number 2. 4 into 13 plus 2 plus 40. Value is 100. Solution. We will insert simple brackets for 13 plus 2. Therefore, the expression will be 4 into bracket 13 plus 2 bracket closed plus 40. Number 3. 30 minus 10 minus 10. Value is 30. Solution. According to the rule, we will insert simple brackets for 10 minus 10. Therefore, the expression will be 30 minus into bracket 10 minus 10. Number 4. 100 divided by 20 divided by 5. Value is 25. Solution. We will insert simple brackets for 20 divided by 5 equals to 100 divided by into bracket 20 divided by 5. Number 5. 50 minus 35 plus 15. Value is 0. Solution. According to the rule, we will insert simple brackets for 35 plus 15 equals to 50 minus into bracket 35 plus 15.